show you how I edit my pictures for my Instagram. Whenever I post my pictures, this is the most frequently asked question that I get, whether it's on my DMs or in the comments. So finally I'm making this video, guys, and I'm going to show you step by step how I edit my pictures on my phone. So let's get started. So first of all, I should make clear what softwares I use to edit. Number one thing is Lightroom app. It is like a holy grail app for color grading and light corrections that you have to do. So I definitely go there in the first step to basically make my picture look like how I want it to look like. Because if you just throw in a random filter, you won't actually get the desired results. For example, I want the yellow in my outfits to shine, but I do not want the pinks to shine that much. So I can adjust it accordingly, and all of that I do in Lightroom. So let me just show you how I do it. First of all, I'm going to open the Lightroom app, and yes, it is a free app. You can just download it from Play Store or App Store. You don't have to pay for it. So let me just show you how I edit one of my pictures. So for example, this is the picture and it is edited right now. So this is how it looks before the editing, and this is how it looks after the editing. So if you just focus on my face, you can see that I have really brightened and saturated my skin tone. If you look at my outfit, you can see how the pinks are enhanced. So first of all, I'll go to the light section and I will lower the whites. I will crush the whites all the way down, and I don't know why, but I just love how it gives a very matte look. I might as well just go ahead and crush all the highlights. Then I would go ahead and increase the shadows a bit, just a bit, not a lot, and would just work along with it. Like you need to just keep on adjusting till you actually really start liking how the picture's turning out. Now you don't have to necessarily do what I am doing. You can do however you like it, but this is just a general way to play with it to get the desired results. This much contrast is okay. We'll just see how the blacks look like, and yeah, I'm liking it. Okay, so this is the light part. Now I'm going to the color part, and this is the main game changer. Okay, so I'll go to the mix section first of all, and here you can see there are all the different colors, and you can just play with the hue. You just select the pink one and play with the hue of pink one, and you can see how it's changing the pinks on my top. So I really love the peach tones here. I do not like the original pink shades, and that is why I am turning it to peach. Now I'll just increase the saturation, and I really love how it looks like. I'm also increasing the luminance a bit. What luminance basically does is it just brings out the light. So you can increase or decrease the light of a particular color using the luminance. And yeah, I think I really like how it's looking. Much better than how it was originally looking. Now if you go to the orange part, the orange is where the skin tones work. So if you just increase the luminance of orange, my skin starts to glow. I'm also increasing the saturation of my face a bit. And for the hue part, you can go from pinkish to yellowish tones. Now for the blue, I'll just increase the luminance of blue a bit. Saturation, yes, a bit. I like the hue as it is. Now, so this is basically how you play around with different colors, with the hue, the saturation, and the luminance, and you can actually adjust how different colors in your picture are looking like. and you can just decrease the saturations of plants if your plants are in the background and you do not want, a lot of greens in your picture because that's taking away focus from the subject. Then you can, decrease the saturation of greens. So let me just fast forward and complete this picture, and then I'll show you the final results. So this is how the color correction looks like before and after. That's some drastic changes. Now the last step that I do in Lightroom is I go to effects and I lower the clarity a bit. So when I lower the clarity, it actually smoothens my skin a bit. You can also use the noise reduction here if you think that the quality of your picture is not good. There are lots of grain and noise in your picture, so you can use the noise reduction. One more thing that I want to show you is the curves. What I do, and it is a very simple basic way to play with curves, is I just like to make 3 dots, and then I just use the 3 dots to increase or decrease the curve, and I'll just stop where I think, the picture looks good. So this is the final picture, and you can see the before and the after. That's some major changes just in the Lightroom app, and I love it. I love how this picture is looking now, and that's all I do to edit my pictures really. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. It really helps my channel to grow. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do it. It's free to do and it helps me so much and makes me so happy. It almost makes my day when I get the notification that someone subscribed to my channel. So please do. And if you think that this video would help some of your friends, then do not forget to share this in your WhatsApp groups and anywhere that you like.